Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I stopped by a store the other day and found a little thing that I'd seen other places, but never thought it would be something that I would buy because they're ridiculously expensive. But this one was in a estate sale. You know, that place out on 131? And they don't know what things actually are worth. So it was a positive thing for me. This little device here, the first time I saw it, it had Stanley stamped on it. Now this one doesn't have any name on it that I can see, but I haven't taken it apart yet. It's also dented and very dirty. But I think since most of the parts are there, and some are just a little bit damaged, I can fix this up and make it just like new again. Well, what is it? First time you see it, you go, well, okay, it's a level, but it's kind of small. There's all kinds of levels, and little torpedo levels, and button levels, and great big levels. What makes this one so special? It was so special that most people wanted over $20 for it, and my cutoff is usually $10, especially something that doesn't perform a function that I have to have. Well, this one has kind of a unique property. It works with something else. You take a rafter square, or just any straight edge, and this has a little clamp on the side of it. Tighten the screw up. It sits flush with that edge. Then all you have to do is lay it on the surface, look at the bubble, and it tells you if this whole surface is level. And you can put this on any length of thing that you want. You can buy a steel bar 20 feet long. By the time you get out 20 feet, it's going to be pretty limber though. But this 2-foot square works just fine. And when you're done, it goes right back in your pocket. Or you can put it in your tool pouch, stick it in a drawer in your toolbox. Works just fine. I think this would be better with a little knurled screw on it. But this is the way it came. Pretty cool. I don't have as much time as I used to, but I still take a few minutes every time I get a chance and see if I can find something kind of cool. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.